Hi everybody, this is Anna from Koala Soap and I have Gavin with me.
Hello.
He just started school, so we are on a Friday night and this is how we're going to have some fun. We're going to do a complete experimental soap. Gavin wanted to try seasons and we're going to try and do Halloween soap early. Well, a little early. I changed up a few things. So what I'm doing is I usually use this pink mold, and what I have noticed is that you only get like 3.5 bars, and so I'm trying this new mold. It's basically the same size, but I should get 4 1-inch bars. So it measures. Yeah, it's very hard. Yeah, it measures 4 inches this way and 3.5 inches this way. This is 3.5 by 3.5 roughly. So this takes about 21 to 22 ounces. I have some glycerin low sweat melt and pour base. We're going to go ahead and use charcoal, Stardust mica, blood orange. Ooh, that's a nice Halloween.
Yeah.
And then for the newest part, I've never done this before. One of my subscribers emailed me and said, "Why don't you try using a funnel?" I've never done that.
Because we geniuses.
And so she didn't give much direction on it. She just said try using a funnel and put it into soap that is somewhat hard. So we're going to try to do that. I'm going to be using glycerin or clear melt and pour, because if I'm going to try to attempt a swirl, which I don't know that I'm going to be able to achieve, this is the first time I've ever tried to do this, but it'll give us some ideas. I'm using a silicone mold because when I have metal molds, and the problem is I'm worried I won't be able to clean them, especially down there. At least this, I can turn completely inside out and get any soap residue out of it. It will only be used for soap. It comes in a pack of 3. I'm not sure what I'm going to be able to use this for. I guess this will go to Gavin and maybe he can do something with a Nerf gun in this. Let's go ahead and melt this down and see what happens. Okay, we've decided we're going to do a mostly black soap with some orange in it.
Yeah.
Because if I'm thinking about this, what I'm worried about is that the orange isn't going to show up so well with the black, but let's just try it. So we're going to make, we're not going to have...
Oh yeah, we're using monkey farts.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry. Gavin wanted to use monkey farts. It does have a little bit of vanillin in it. But we're not going to use any vanilla stabilizer because we have charcoal, and I'm actually okay if it turns this one dark. I won't add it to, I won't add monkey farts to the orange part. So that's how we'll do it. So mostly black, that's what we'll do. Okay, let's see if this works. So we're going to add a little bit of alcohol here.
Always use alcohol.
Yes, you have to use alcohol. It's very important. Okay, so we'll do...
Some charcoal.
Some charcoal. I'm not going to use gloves because this soap is not going anywhere but here. I do want the orange to be a little bit lighter, so I'm going to take a little bit of this color block and put it into what we're going to do for the orange.
Oh, I've never seen that before.
Yes, I'm going to try this. I'm going to put it in, and you're actually going to stir while I'm mixing up the other part here. Okay, so
should I stir with this?
Oh no, you're gonna stir over here. Come here. You're gonna do this part right here. You see that? You're gonna stir that in there.
What should it look like? Like a ton of white?
It'll start turning white. And then I'll mix the charcoal. Watch out for a second, baby. I'm gonna squirt in here. Okay, so we have a little bit of that in there. And this one is called White Cloud Shimmer from Crafter's Choice. And again, the reason I'm using it, this is a soap we just did. You see how it's kind of bowing here and here? That's what's happening in this one, unless I stabilize it with books. This one feels a little bit thicker, so that's why we're going to do that. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to add some orange over here. And hopefully it'll show up. We're adding it because I want the orange to pop out just a little bit more. I'm worried that it won't.
No, that's like pitch black.
It is really black. Okay, you ready? I'm going to put some of this in.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and stir
Are
it.
you gonna squirt it?
Well, I won't because you're right there and I don't want to waft you. Oh, and the monkey farts. So we're going to add monkey farts to our charcoal. And we have a little over a pound of soap. I'm actually going to add 5 mLs of monkey farts in here. So we have that going for us. Okay, we'll just stir. I'm already getting a skin on this one. Let's see what we're at here. 154, 153. Oh, they're very close. They're in a race. I'm going to go ahead and pour this charcoal in here while Gavin is stirring.
Yes, stirring I am.
And so what we're going to do, and if this doesn't work, it's okay, because you know this is what this channel is all about. It's just experimenting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this thicken up just a little bit. I want them down to at least the 120s, if not 1-teens, even lower if possible.
I know this is a weird idea, but what if we like poured, like let's say we have like somewhere equal, like close to equal, and we just pour them in at once?
I think it would just turn dark orange. I think it all mixed together. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually poke a hole into this when it's a little bit thicker, and we're going to pour this in there.
Yeah.
Even if we have to reheat that a little bit. And we're just going to see how it works. So we'll be back. Okay, we're back. Let's see what we're at on this one. 130. And I think this one has a skin on it, so I'm not going to get it accurate unless I break it open. So I guess what we're going to do, she wasn't too descriptive on how to do it. She just said put a funnel in it, and so here we go. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we'll spray. And I didn't want this to get too clumpy because I was worried it wouldn't make it through the hole in the funnel. Sorry, not tunnel, funnel.
Tunnel funnel.
Tunnel funnel. It still might not make it through the funnel. I don't know. The orange and the white turned out to be more of a peach, but we'll see. I mean, it's stopping right there. So I think it got a little clumpy.
Oh, I did a bad job starting.
No, this wasn't you. Not at all, honey. This is just, they got a little bit too thick, but we got most of it in there.
Should we stir it around?
Yeah, okay. Let's stir it around.
Let's do it. There's a way more bright orange.
Okay, we're gonna let this set and we will come back and do the cut and let's see if it worked. And then I'll let you guys know how easy it was to actually clean this part of it.
I'll help you with that part.
Thank you. There's a little bit of this left. I wonder if we should. We'll let, well, you're gonna have to take that now. Go wash up. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, it's the next day. I've unmolded it. It was a little tougher to unmold using this than the pink one. So you have to I kept pushing down on this part of it and breaking the seal and it came out. But here's what it looks like. Okay. So this was an experimental soap. I'm not sure I did it the way she mentioned. So if anyone has any ideas, or Mary, if you want to elaborate on how to use the funnel better, let me know. And so let's just do the big check here. Oh, look. That is pretty. Actually, that came out really nicely. She's right. Very dramatic. So this would actually look a lot neater with other colors. Look at that. It worked. Guess we'll just call this one Spooky. And I have my scale here. And so I got 4 bars that were about 1 inch. I'm going to actually weigh it. Let's see what it weighs. Okay, and each bar weighs about 5.6 ounces, and I used a clear glycerin. So 4 bars at 5.6 ounces, and you get a nice dramatic swirl in there. So I'm really happy with this technique, and I think I did it right now. Now I think I did it right, but I'm not sure. So if anyone has any other ideas, let me know, and we'll go ahead and give it a try. Okay guys, this is Anna from Koala Soap, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again.